everyone, welcome back. So for this project, you're going to need blank magnets 1.5 inches, Krazy glue, photo paper, glossy 4 by 6 inches. You're going to need epoxy stickers 1 inch, and scissors. Okay, so first we're going to start by opening up a new Word document. We're going to go to, in the Insert tab, click Shapes. We're going to go to the circle one. We're going to insert that. We're going to go to Fill, Shape Fill. We want no fill. I'm going to change the shape outline, which is already pink. You can change it to any color you want. I'm going to go to shape outline again. I want the weight of it to be, 3 point. And that's how we get it. So now we're just going to go to drawing tools. We're going to go to shape fill again. We're going to click the picture. I'm going to be using pictures from my personal files. So give me a second while I stroll through to see which one I want to use. So I'm going to use the pink dog. I want to insert it. So with this, because it's not really, it's cutting off his face, I'm going to go to picture tools. I'm going to go to picture tools at the top. I'm going to go to crop. I'm going to go to fit. You can see you are able to slide him right on out. I'm going to minimize it just a little. Go back in. And then he fits perfectly. With my other circle, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Drawing tools, shape fill, picture from file. I'm going to go and find another one. But I'm not going to do pink. I'm going to do something different. Let's see. Let's do Minnie Mouse. I have Minnie all over my computer. All right, we're going to use this image right here. Insert. Just going to use the tab to make it a little bigger. We're going to go right over here to picture tools again. Go to crop. We're going to fill. We're going to make this picture bigger. So it fits right on in, and it fits perfect. So there we have that. So the next part, we're just going to go back in and align this stuff. Center with this one. I'm going to align it center, but I'm just going to drag it down a little. And then I'm going to go ahead and print on my Canon Glossy 4x6 paper. So I've already opened up my materials and everything is all ready for me. I'm opening up my epoxy stickers now. I'm going to go ahead and cut the pictures out so it'll be easier. So I've removed the epoxy sticker and land it flat, pressing really firm to make sure it's on. I'm going to cut around the image as close as I possibly can to the edge of the sticker. And I'm going to go ahead and remove any excess paper that I may have missed the first go around. And that's what it looks like. So for the second and third image, I'm just going to go ahead and end up laying both of the epoxy stickers down, starting with mini, lay it flat, press firm. For this third image, lay it flat, press firm. And remember, you're going to cut as close as you possibly can to the edge of the epoxy sticker while holding the image in place with your thumb. And after your image is cut out, you're going to go ahead and remove any excess paper that you may have missed. So for many, the steps are going to be repeated again. You're going to hold the image in place while cutting close as you possibly can to the edge of the sticker without cutting into the image. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Krazy glue with the tack that comes inside. I'm going to remove my magnets. And I'm going to place some glue to the blank side of the magnets. So now I'm just going to take my image and press it down with a little readjusting to make sure it's centered. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to repeat the steps for the rest of them. So this part of the project is completely optional. I felt like the magnets were kind of dry, so I decided to bling them out a little with some rhinestones that I had laying around the house. The rhinestones are adhesive on the back, so all I have to do is lay them flat. I don't have to use any type of glue, so I'm just laying them flat and pressing them down. And I'm going along the edge of the circle to align them so everything would match up at the end. So the blue row of diamonds here, I'm going to be using for this magnet. I'm just going to take it off, lay it, circle it around the magnet while pressing really firm to hold it in place. And then I'm going to get to the end, press down. I'm going to take my scissors and just snip off the excess diamonds that I didn't need. And all done. Thanks for watching.